What are you watching, Jack?
I'm watching a silent movie.
Silent movie. It's the 4th Assembly video.
There we go.
There we go. Pretty sure the mic picked that up.
Oh no.
Oh, there's Jelma right there.
Capitalism is the best system ever devised.
That's what they showed last episode.
The social revolution occurs because in the first place you have the crisis, the wars, and the disorders generated by capitalism. So revolution, I'm absolutely sure, revolution, socialist revolution will always pop up because in the first place imperialism exists.
Brothers and sisters, this is a short clip about the 4th International Assembly held in Manila, Philippines. First, I'd like to acknowledge all of you for being here today, but some special people. We are joined by the chairperson of the International League of People's Struggle from Utrecht via Skype, and he's right there. There he is. join us through Skype today, and we'd like to thank you for your presence. There's also other key people here. The ILPS US as a chapter wouldn't be a chapter if it wasn't for our member organizations and people who want to join the Alliance. We deem that you are really important people representing organizations and communities all across the US, and we'd like for you to stand, be acknowledged. Please stand if you're a member or an applying member of the ILPS US chapter.
If you're a member or if you're applying member. Basically all the delegates.
If you are a voting delegate and you're not in the first two rows of the